Hello guys, welcome back. This is KH's for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome to my another After Effects tutorial, how to create motion graphics of earth zooming in Adobe After Effects. Let's start. Create a new composition and right here earth zoom, enter and double click. You must have these images. Press import and drop to composition. Turn off these all and select the first one. Press T, opacity make 50 and press S, scale down the size. Set the image here. Don't forget, select the anchor point and make sure that is top of this tower and press Ctrl. Here is okay. Parent web, the first image to second image, and turn off the first, turn on the third image and press T, make 50% and then press S, scale down the size and set to here. Scale down and you can check from there. Scale down. Okay, and now parent web, the second to third image, and turn on the third. Select the third and press T, down the opacity, and here is the another one. Press S, scale down the size and make sure fix the image at this point. Look, Control from these places to press Control, slowly down the size. Okay, parent web, this one, and turn on the fifth image. Press T, 50% and press S, scale down the size, fix the image here, press Control. Okay, and now turn off this one, parent web, turn on the sixth image and make 50% opacity the fifth image and press S, scale down, press Control, slowly scale up the size. And now time to set the sixth image. Press T, 50% and press S, scale down the size and move here. Little bit zoom. Okay, don't forget parent web this image to 6 and 6 image, parent web to 7, and Ctrl S, select all, close, press T, fix to 100% of the opacity. And now time to select all. So change the parent web to none and select all the down layer of 1, parent web all the image to layer 1. Okay, press S, scale, change the scale percentage to 100. Here is the 100. And now you can animate. Stopwatch the scale, go to second 3 and make 0.0005. And now time to animate the earth zoom. So select the first image, press S, turn on the scale and select the percentage, set to 100 and stopwatch from the 0, go to second 3, change 0.005. Okay, play now. In the end of motion, a little bit problem. Select these 2 points, right click, keyframe assistant, exponential scale turn on. Play again. Select the first image and select the second image. Here is the second image. Make mask. Press MM. Make a little bit feather and close. Select the third layer and press S for the scale. Mask these places. Press MM, little bit feather and zoom out. And now time to make mask for the first layer. Press MM, make a little bit feather. Here is the fifth image. And the sixth image. Select all layers and close. Let's create some stars for the background. Right here, stars, press enter and go to effect and presets. Right here, fractal noise. Apply the fractal noise effect and control the contrast brightness. Then go to transform, scale down the size. And for animation, stopwatch evolution option and make 3 and move the stars down. Play now. Right click, create another new solid and right here, sun lens, go to effects, stylize, select the unit no light factory, choose a flare, select the sunset flare and draw top of the image and select the mode change to add and select the sun You can animate the light from the center point, the stopwatch, light location, and go to second 3. Here is. Play again. Let's change the sun location. Stopwatch again, go to second 3, move here and select the stars. Play. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.